Hello everyone! Today we are back again with another MataT2 video. Today I'm going to show you how to go through the functions and set up your device. So first we have the display here. We can turn it on by holding the middle and the left button. Okay, so once it turns on, we can go into settings. So remember this middle button, it's going to be very important from now on. We will use it to enter settings mode, rotate through all the functions, and also exit it. So to enter, hold it down until you hear a beep. Okay, once you hear a beep, you will see PSI flashing on the screen. You can change this parameter by using the left or right button. Just press it once and you can see it changes to bar. And you can change it back. So once you have selected your desired pressure unit, we can go to the next setting. So to do that, we press the middle button once. Okay, so now you can see degrees Celsius flashing on the display. We can change this parameter by using the right or the left button. So as you can see, it changes to Fahrenheit. You can change it back. Once you selected your desired temperature unit, we can go on to the next parameter by pressing the middle button once. So now here is where we set the alarm baseline for the tire pressure. So once you set the baseline, the alarm will be triggered at plus or minus 25% of the baseline pressure. So if you do the calculations, you might be wanting to set your steering wheels at, say if you run it at 110, you could set it at 120, and then it would be alarming at around 90 psi. So that's for low pressure. So you can set it around 115 or 120 if you're running your tires at 110. So once you've done the pressure baseline, which you could change using the left or right, you can go on to the next parameter by pressing the middle button once. So here you can set the pressure baseline for all the rear tires. Same thing, you can also use the left or right button to go up or down on these tires. If you only have two sensors on the steering, you don't really have to set the rear baseline pressures. You can just let it go. Once you're done, you can go on to the next step by pressing the middle button once. So now you will see the temperature alarm value on the display. So this number is if the tire pressure, the tire temperature, if the tire temperature exceeds 80, it will alarm. So you can use the up or down button to change the temperature as you desire. Once you're done, press the middle button once to rotate to the next parameter. So this one is the tire view. So you can select between all tire view, which means it will show all the tire pressures, or you can just have it at steering wheel view, so it will just only show the two pressures on your steering wheel. So you can use the right or left button to change that. If you select all tire view, it will go through the tires two at a time, it will rotate and scroll through all of them, and then loop back. If you have it at steering wheel only, it will just stay there. But it will still alarm if you had any tire problems with the other tires. So to go to the next parameter, press the middle button once. And then we are at tires alarm sound, on or off. As you can see, it is currently on. You can turn the alarm sound off by using the left or right button to toggle that. So if you turned it off, the alarm sound would be gone, but you would still be able to see the visual alarm. So it will flash on the screen. Once you're done with that, we go to the next setting by pressing the middle button once. Here we enter tire swap. Generally, don't touch anything with a tire swap because you rarely need to swap 2 tires on your truck unless you're using internal sensors. So you can just skip this step by pressing the middle button once. C2 is the second part of the tire swap where you select the second tire. So just also skip that. Don't use left or right button. Just press the middle button once more. And then, as you can see, the PSI is flashing again. We've looped a whole way round to the beginning. And we can exit now by holding down the middle button to exit with 2 beeps. After the beep, the pressures will After 2 beeps, you will exit settings mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching.